So as you can see, I've got a new arm holding my microphone, so I won't pick up as much noise, I'm hoping, when I'm unboxing stuff on the table, because I usually have the mic down here. But now it's up here by my mouth, so hopefully everything improves, the audio quality and all of that good stuff. I've got a bunch of things actually coming in, setting up, making, like a new setup for my room on my desk. And I actually have a shock absorber coming in that's gonna, it's gonna be a harness for my mic to absorb any rattling that might happen, things like that. Now, I didn't make a dropless video again this week. There was a Supreme drop. It was week 16, but I honestly thought the entire drop was garbage. It was straight garbanzo beans, bro. There wasn't even a single item that I really liked on there, so I didn't even bother making a video because it was really last minute when the drop list came out, so I decided just to not do it at all. But never mind that. Hopefully next week I can get back to doing drop list videos, but right now we have an unboxing of my week 14 items, and that's coming up right after this. And what's going on, everybody? Bro Kilar back in with the patch. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some items from week 14, spring summer 2020 Supreme. I don't even know if I said that correct. Whatever, I'm unboxing Supreme stuff right now. Now, if my hands look dirty, like under my fingernails, stuff looks crusty, that is because I was gutting a car today. I basically pulled everything out of an engine bay on like a 91 Integra LS. That is a different story. We're not going to get into that, but yes, I was covered head to toe in grease. So if I look a little bit dirty, I apologize. So to be honest, I usually look through like on my phone to make sure all of my items have arrived, but I didn't do that, so I actually completely forgot what's in these packages, and I'm hoping this is everything that I ordered. I'll probably check after this video. Oh, wait, what? I'm a little bit confused because now that I see the items in this first package, I thought this was all that I ordered. So I'm not sure what this package is now. I'm a little confused. Okay, well anyway, first things first, we got the Supreme box logo stickers. And from week 14, everything was headlined by the Waves collection. It had like the koi fish and the waves. There was denim jackets and pants and all this good stuff. There was the crusher. All of that sold out ridiculously fast. If you woke up for that drop, it was complete insanity. I mean, like under like 10 seconds, every single size of the jacket sold out. It was crazy. So after being denied and getting the sold out notification, I was able to pick up the long sleeve tee in the brown. And that is what we have right here in a size medium. Open this up for you. Right here, this is the design with the koi fish and the waves with the Japanese influence, Asian influence. It's very cool. Has subtle Supreme brandings going on inside there. It feels really thin, but that's probably a good thing because I live in Hawaii and it's always hot. I'm actually going to go ahead and try this on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'll back up a little bit and get a look. Now, I did like both of the colorways. I like the colorful one as well as this gold and black. However, I think the colorful one actually sold out in a medium, so I was only able to pick this up. So I was also able to pick up this seal line bag, which this is something that I was not intending to go for at all. But because it didn't sell out while I was in there, I just grabbed it just to get something else. So right here is the seal line bag. It has a zipper. It basically seals like a Ziploc bag, but I think it's supposed to be water resistant or waterproof or whatever. And yeah, it has a nice big Supreme branding across. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not really sure what you would use this for. I think it would actually make a pretty cool pencil case, maybe. I don't know. I'm probably going to end up selling this to be really honest. But that is a nice piece. It's covered in Supreme. Very cool. Next, we'll get into this mystery package because I really don't know what could be in here. I don't remember buying anything else. For all I know, this might not even be from week 14 and I just completely forgot that I ordered this. Well, first thing we got is some Supreme stickers. Again, let me close this It's getting dangerous in here. All right, so this is the... Oh! I do remember this. Oh my god. Okay. Was this from week 14? Okay, I think this was from week 14. This was another Asian influence thing. It was the dragon whatever hoodie. It had like the kabuki masks on the side, I think, and the dragon in the back and all that stuff, and everything was embroidered and the font was... Oh. All right, let's go ahead and take this thing out. Ooh. That thing kind of smelled bad, but that's all right. Bro, do you see that? Oh my, look at the embroidery on that. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't even know what this is. Clouds? Yeah, I think these are just clouds. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, first of all, okay, let's just calm down. So first of all, on the front, it's very plain, as you can see, but there is a Supreme branding, and I do really like this font. I hope that focused. And the back, oh my goodness, this back is ridiculous. The whole back is embroidered. It says Supreme in the massive spell out that it has on the front. It has these two dragons going around right here. Oh dang, that is crazy. So I'm actually going to give you guys a close-up so you can see all the good little details. So as you can see, everything is embroidered. There is a nice Supreme spell out on the very top. There is this dragon swirling around this kabuki mask. Really sick. It says the Alpha Omega. Silent weapon for quiet wars. It also has some profanity on the bottom, and I'm too lazy to blur it out, so you can read that for yourself. But I'm not monetized yet, so I'm not afraid to get demonetized, because not monetized yet. I'm actually going to show you guys another close-up of the hood. So on one side, as you can see, this is the left side of the hood. It's just got these clouds embroidery, and on the right side it does have another kabuki mask design. Very nice. Down the sleeves, it has more of the kabuki mask and cloud things. I'll actually throw it on so that you guys can see that. Yeah, I'm like really geeking out right now. So as you can see on the sleeve, I hope you can see it, there is the kabuki mask with the clouds going down on both sides. Everything is embroidered. Let me show you guys the back. I'm gonna be honest, it's not as comfortable as a lot of the other jackets that I have, but it does feel good quality. It's very stiff though, and it's really thick, but I do like the embroidered everything. I think it is very worth the value that I paid for. To be honest, I don't even know if people like were going crazy over this. I know everybody was going crazy over the Waves collab, so I actually think this is a really slept on piece. I think it's really cool how much embroidery and how much design and detail went into this. This is probably my new favorite Supreme piece that I own. Alright, and that is going to be all that I have for this video. I'm really happy with the items that I managed to get. So next week, hopefully I can continue on with the drop list. Hopefully there's some good things for me to buy so I can unbox more things for you. It's really fun. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time. The truth.